Hey guys, today was ready to reset your Tinder swipes. So if you guys are wondering how to reset your Tinder swipes, if in the case that you have lost specific swipes on the Tinder application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So if you want to go ahead and reset your Tinder swipes, one of the best ways that we could actually do to solve this issue is to first, just go ahead and uninstall the Tinder application. So just go ahead and long press on the Tinder application, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again, and then proceed with reinstalling it from the App Store. Now, reinstalling the Tinder application will possibly give you a quick reset of the Tinder swipes, so go ahead and try it out yourselves. Now, we could also do is to go ahead and just wait for 24 hours, because, well, Tinder does reset its Tinder swipes within that 24-hour time frame. So if you basically have the time to wait, go ahead and wait for 24 hours until your Tinder application resets its Tinder swipes. But essentially, if you don't really wanna, go ahead and delete your Tinder account and create a new one. Those are the ways that we could actually do in order for us to reset our Tinder swipes. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.